Sani power missing no sorry. T.D. Ekano. Any pie chancro for tea was selfie na no sorry. Boys here, one more dinner, sir. Who dinner man to see a life. One more dear, say, one up and ma, ya woman, no for cocoon, woman, you woman, no for the camera, so. And then they are using them for romance come, and then they come and tell you work hard because they are working hard. And they buy a cyber truck, and they buy a Range Rover, and they buy a Maserati, an Aston Martin, and they flash it in your eyes. And Ghana, and I'm say, no we feel that if you have a car, you are rich. Me who be that? A car? What is a car? Paul said, I know how to abound and how to abase. In all things I am instructed. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, Christ in you, the hope of glory. Say yes to that person is content. Godliness with contentment. The Bible said it is great gain. We came into this world with nothing, we shall exit with nothing. If you come with that mentality, it is the Holy Ghost only that can make a person feel like that. I'm telling you. It's boys in see a life. They had a fraud. All these fraud boys are church people. I'm telling you. And the church of Jesus Christ is full of fraud boys. Yeah. Fraud boys. The Pagria come Mercedes S class and say Nyami Shirano. Nyami free him no Shira. Asia Yedias and Nyami free him no dema. Go to Proverbs chapter 1 and give me the last but 2 verses. Proverbs 1, last but 2 verses. Put it on the screen, not part of my notes. The Bible said in the first chapter of, go to the next verse. All right, okay, go to the next 4 verses. Last 4 verses. Which verse should that one be? I got that one. Go to the verse you went to right now. The one before this one, you got it. You got it. The Bible said, for the turning away of the simple shall slay them, and the prosperity of fools shall destroy them.